Hi guys and welcome back to another Facebook tutorial. Do you want to change your Facebook password but forgot your old one? Then this video is for you. Changing your Facebook password is crucial to protect your personal information and keep your account safe from unauthorized access. You can easily change the Facebook password without knowing the old one, so just follow my steps. Let's open the Facebook mobile application on our device and then click on this menu button in the bottom right corner of the screen. When we get to this menu section, we will open our Facebook settings, so we want to click on this little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. When we get to the Facebook settings, we want to tap on this See More in Account Center option. That's gonna open the Meta Account Center where we have a bunch of different options related to our account that we can change. You want to find this password and security option and open it. Then change password. And we will get to this page. As you can see, it asks us to enter our current password in order to create a new one and change our Facebook password, but we don't know our current or old password, so we'll click on this Forgot Your Password. And when we do click on that button, it's going to get us to this page where we have a lot of different options for resetting our password. They can send us a verification code via email, via WhatsApp, they can send us a text message, and many more stuff. You can select any of these, and I want to get the code via email. And wait until they send us a verification code. It should only take a couple of seconds. Enter the code that you received, and then we'll get to this page where we can enter our new Facebook password. As you can see, we can change our password without knowing the old one. And that's essentially it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.